Hello, people. Welcome back to the channel. Another day, a new bike. It's the KTM Duke 250, and it's not my bike. ये मेरे बड़े भैया की bike है. So it won't be a proper bike review. It's basically more of a ride review कि मुझे कैसा feel होता है city rides में. Because coming from a faired bike to a non-faired bike, a naked bike, it would be a huge difference. So yeah, let's find out. और चलते चलते बातें करते हैं. Let's go. I have a pillion with me. And yeah, so what it does in Supermoto is it basically disables the rear ABS. I'm pretty sure you can see that. Yeah. Yeah, you can. Okay. Let's go. By the way, this bike has few mods. It has a tank pad, a KTM tank pad, and this pouch. I think it's waterproof. Not sure. I'll ask him. But this bike is so comfortable, man. It's so good. I mean, coming from RS457, this feels like heaven, man. I'm keeping this bike. By the way, guys, there would be more videos on Duke 250 and many other bikes, so stay tuned. Oh, first and foremost, the bike feels smooth. Does it feel smoother than my RS457? Not really. It is almost the same. But yeah, it has a lower displacement engine, so it feels so good to drive. I mean, I don't have pain on my wrist, on my back. Even the sound is not bad. And it has that grunt. I'll try to do a 0 to 100. I'm not sure. I'll try to. If I see a stretch, I will do a 0 to 100. Let's go. And this is a city ride, so I'm not going on highways or anything. Dude, it feels way, way, way better than my RS457. It's like I'm holding nothing. So light. And the pull is also good. I mean, 250 is decent. It'll get your job done. If you want to overtake, you don't need to like get down always. It will get the job done. We'll see about that in a minute. Let's pull a bit. Oh damn, the brakes. They're so good. I mean, they're KTM, bro. KTM की brakes, I think they are one of the best. आप 390 ले लो, कोई भी बाइक ले लो. मैंने 390 भी चलाया है और उनके ब्रेक इतने बढ़िया, इतने अच्छे हैं क्योंकि they don't have organic brake pads like RS457. मेरे को तो सेंस ही नहीं समझ में आ रहा है ऑर्गेनिक ब्रेक पैड्स क्यों देना है जब वो जानते हैं कि इसका बाइट इतना ख़राब है और इतना सारा रिव्यूज़ आ चुका है. बट स्टिल ओके गाइस, तो थोड़ी देर बाद भगाते हैं अपन. विल श्योरली गेट द जॉब डन. ओके, आई सी अ स्ट्रेच. लेट्स गो.
This is the end.
Nah, man, too much traffic. I should not. This bike, I mean, you can drive it so, it's so nimble. Okay. Let's see if it can go 0 to, 100. It can touch 100. Okay. We are at third, 60. Let's go. 80. Perfect shift. 100. Oh, it does, bro. That's all. I'm not gonna push the bike. But yeah, guys, I'll be putting a proper review video of the bike. If you want, pin down in the comment if you want so. I'll do that. You know, when you ride this bike, you feel like कि आप ट्रैफिक से ऐसे मतलब कहीं से भी कट कर लोगे बहुत easily. I can't do it with my Aprilia. I mean, I'm used to it. I'm used to my bike. I'm getting used to my bike. So I can do that, but This bike, I think, कोई अगर beginner rider है, he can drive it as well without any hesitation. Okay, guys, so we have reached Nehru Path. Let's go. Oh, it goes to 70, 80 so smoothly, man. Bro, I feel like I'll keep this bike. So good. You know why? I'll tell you why. Just because of the brakes. It's so good, man. Way better than my RS457. Do you see the pull? Yeah, even the sound is good. It has a very linear pull. It won't throw you back on your seats. That's why I said even a beginner can ride it. Okay, हमारे CM निकलने वाले हैं शायद. Oh, this is our I don't know what it is called, but yeah, that's the CM house on my right. Man, I'll appreciate the brakes again and again and again. Brakes are so fucking good. Do you see this bite? Aprilia, if you are, please listen to this and improve your brakes. And yeah, one more thing, guys. Thank you so much for the feedbacks I'm getting on my comment sections. It's really helpful, and I'm reading each and every one. So do comment and do let me know what improvements do you need. I hope the angle would be good because it's a very upright position. So I'm not sure if the view is good or not. I'll check that. We'll see. It doesn't put stress on my back, on my hands. It's like sitting upright on a chair. Even the seats are comfortable. Oh, by the way, in future we'll do a ride as well with my bike and this bike and many more. So please stay tuned. This place. So this is Patna's Golf Club. I used to come here so often with my friends because it has a swimming pool. So yeah, we used to come here swim. Of course, I don't know how to play golf. This is the Raja Bazaar flyover, made for city drive, man. I'll try it on highway as well. Oh, that's the new Royal Enfield 650. What do you call it? Is it classic or meteor? I'm not sure. Oh yeah, by the way, the switches on this bike, it feels premium, bro. Yeah, it doesn't wobble. So right in front of me is the new Patna Airport terminal. I've heard that. Oh, it's so beautiful, man. If you have seen the previous terminal building, it's way more beautiful. You go check it out and let me know in the comments. Okay, guys. So I'll do one thing. We'll go back on the same road. That was a rolling 60 to 100, right? I'll try to do a 0 to 100. क्या बात है Hero Honda. Catching up with the Duke. I mean, you can jiggle through traffic. The brakes give you so much confidence, which I of course don't get in my RS457. Sad but true. Ooh. Did you see it? What I'm talking about? But this stupid. क्या कर रहे हो भैया? ना इंडिकेटर है ना कुछ. ये देखिए. These people, man. This is what I was talking about. The brakes. Did you see it? I didn't even panic. I just applied the brakes. But believe me, if it was, of course, my RS457 would be like way ahead of the speeds. But yeah, the brake is so good, man. Okay, I'll do a 0 to 100 and revving it to 6000 and perfect shift, perfect shift, perfect shift. Oh, damn. Nice, man. Even the downshift is so good. Brakes are beautiful. I'll keep repeating it. Okay, guys, so I think that would be all. Enough for today. Take care and keep supporting.